Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening another box of Shadowverse Evolve, Reign of Bahamut. So without further ado, let's open the box and see what we get. If a box wants to get opened. Which I'm sure it does. Yeah. So without further ado, let's see what we get. Maybe it's time for a different leader. Most likely not. But anyways, as usual, 16 boosters per box. And let's see what we get. We get a foil Geno, 11 Vanguard. And we get an Amelia, Silver Paladin. That's it for the first pack. So let's move to the next one. Here we get a Dragon Song Flute. Very obscure deck back in the days. I wonder if they actually changed it for the card game. We'll read later. With an Archangel Rainer. And that's it here. In the next pack we get a Grea, the Dragonborn. On to the next pack we go. Where we get a Tribunal of Good and Evil. Which is not quite the same from reading it fast. It destroys one follower, but when it leaves, by activating it, you just get to draw a card and not destroy a second one. I see what you're doing there, Shadowverse team. Moving on. We get a Grand Archer Selvin. And that's it. Moving on to the next pack, we get a foil Necro Carnival. Very cool. We also get a Kaguya. And that's it. On to the next set we go. Not set. Pack. We get a Draconic Fervor. And that's it. Pack number 8. We will get a Vampiric Fortress. On to the next pack we go. Where we get the White Wolf of Eldwood. Combo enabler back in the day. White Paladin. And that's it here. Moving on to the next pack. We get a Demonic Simulacrum. And that's it. In the next pack, we get a foil unicorn, dancer, unica in the evolved form. We get an elf girl, Liza. And that's it. Moving on. We have an Azazel and an evolved Azazel. 4 packs left to go. Let's see what we get. We get an N, Belle of Mysteria, and an evolved version of Leonidas. Third to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Heavenly Aegis. Very cool. We get a Rhymewind and a evolved form of Crystalia Tia. Very nice. On to the next one we go. Here we get an Albert Levin Saber. Very cool. We get an Elf Knight Cynthia. And we get a evolved Soul Dealer. And now it's down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Polyphonic Roar. And that's it. So, this has been yet another card opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll be seeing you at the next one.